amigos, today's a beautiful sunny day. Did you know that the sun is the closest star in our galaxy? Yes. Well, I'm going to read you a book under the star. That is our sun. Ooh, here we go. It's called There's No Place Like Space. There's no place like space. I'm the cat in a hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. You will prove it. I will prove it to you. Your mother will, not mine at all if I do. There you go. Jump in! Here we go! We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see. Ooh, what do you think you'll soon see? The planets! In our solar system, there are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Wow. Look at that. Mercury. Mercury close to the sun, burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. Ooh. Check that out. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. This is my home, and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's our third from the sun. It's our planet. What do you think? If you say Earth, you are correct. Earth! Yes! It spins all the time, round and around like a top. It turns once every day and never will stop. Home sweet home. See? Home sweet home. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in it tizzy. If the earth always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it. Right now, every day. Ooh. Look at that. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it's covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it bigger than all the other planets combined. Wow. Saturn has rings so light, who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? What? That is awesome. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune planet is 8. It's a beautiful blue. Now, here's a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. Gray dog, gray bear, Orion. It's the star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you will see a picture we call constellations. That is true. Look at all the different constellations. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really big glowing ball, and it's hot. That is true. And there's one star by far that our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star is called, what is it called? The sun. Yes, the sun. From Earth, it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes will get hurt and that will not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. And millions of our earth could all fit right in it. Yeah, you should not look up to the sun. It will hurt. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. Ta-da! The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sunlight. Ooh, very nice. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and they drove all over a special moon car called a lunar rover. An astronaut studies what's up in the sky. Think too wants to be one. In fact, so do I. How about you, friends? Do you want to be an astronaut? The universe is a mystery place. We're all only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present. Look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back up the stars and take thing 1 and thing 2 to dinner on Mars. But there's lots of discovery and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new. That is true. All right, amigos. Adios.